Okay guys, so welcome back to Official PKZ, and I know you're bored of the situation of the coronavirus pandemic, the COVID-19, and I'm also bored. So we ended up just playing games, watching YouTube, but I know a fun way how to play your games, like maybe hard games, like shooter games like CODM, PUBG, ROS, and any other shooting games. You can actually connect your PS4 controller to your phone. So, you wanna know how? Let's get started. Okay, so back to the next part, how to connect your PS4 controller to your phone. Of course, you must do it through the Bluetooth way. But you might be asking how to turn on your PS4 Bluetooth. It's very simple. All you have to do is click. There's actually three buttons: the PS4 button, the share button, and the option button. You gotta click the share button and the PS logo button in the same time. So like this. Wait for some time until there's this blinking light. This means that the Bluetooth has turned on. And now the part with your phone. As usual, of course, every one of you knows how to turn on your Bluetooth. And when you go to your phone, there's this wireless controller part, and you click it until there's the right thing connected. And when it's connected, you can use your PS4 controller to control your phone like this. As you can see, I won't be touching my phone, but I'll be controlling it with my PS4 controller. Okay. Now I can open Instagram with the triangle button. Okay, so we can see Instagram without even touching your phone. Okay, and when you are done, you stop using your PS4 controller. It's easy how to turn it off. But this part, your phone takes part. So you go back to your Bluetooth and just turn it off. And there you go. It's off. The live indication is off. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps your experience in playing games, and I hope you guys just pray for this coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic so that it will end quick and we will come back to our activities. So thank you. Please like and share and subscribe.